Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Let me first of all begin by thanking Al-Habibia Islamic Society for convening this meeting today. And let me also take the opportunity also to thank our speaker. I'm not sure if he's listening to me. Dr. Umar Husseini.
He's already okay.
Okay, for the insightful lecture he gave us on Waqf. Meetings such as these normally are intended to achieve three things. The first one is to remind us of what we already know but may have forgotten. And secondly, the meeting also exposes us to what we are yet to know about the subject matter. And then the third one, the meeting also helped to deepen our understanding of what we already know about the subject matter, and also how to apply it. So for me, I believe if I say that we have achieved the objectives of this meeting, I'll be speaking the mind of each and every one of us here. So once again, I thank Al-Habibia Islamic Society, in particular Imam Faoud, for deeming it appropriate to be convening this kind of meeting where we share knowledge and experience very important topics such as this one. So thank you so much, and I hope we'll convene again to discuss about this topic.